Hola, hola. Beautiful day here in Ixtapa. The sun is shining. It is. We're here on the boulevard today. What are we doing here on the boulevard, Alejandro?
Oh, so we're here to find the drone. Yesterday we had a little accident doing a little Christmas video from over there. I was flying to the Emporio because I believe that it was actually my favorite. No, when I was flying between these two buildings, the Emporio and the one next over, when I believe the battery popped off because it was getting kind of hot, popped off, and the drone fell on the rooftop. So now today we're gonna go because the hotel next over gave us a call and told us they found it. But before that, I'm gonna let Satya tell you about a little
adventure we had yesterday. Right after we crashed the drone, we ran over here to the Emporio, scooted our way inside after dealing with the guards because wow, that place is guarded down like Fort Knox, let me tell you. Anyway, when we got in there, we begged the manager to let us look for our drone, hoping that no one had gotten hurt when it crashed because, you know, it's a heavy little object falling from the sky with spinning propellers. They are dangerous. So our worst nightmare was like, wow, somebody may have gotten hurt.
Somebody could get hurt, so definitely we ran.
So we were like, come on, will you let us in? But about four, I don't know what you'd call them, concierge, security, bellboys, busboys, whatever. They run up to us when we walk in the door and they're like, what are you doing here? Usually when you walk into a hotel, from my humble experience, you get greeted. You're like, welcome to the Emporio. How can we help you today?
Nothing.
Would you like a room? Are you a guest already? But instead we got treated like we were banditos.
Very defensive.
Oh yes. I said, well, what's your problem, guys? Can you just help us find this drone? It's on your property. Possibly because we were flying by your hotel, doing a commercial for your hotel, actually.
Yeah, actually.
A little promotion. But they wouldn't even let us look for our drone. So we ran to get our car. They wouldn't even let us walk through the property to the beach to look through our drone. So we had to run to our car, drive all the way down the boulevard, right, Alejandro?
Yes, all the way across.
Oh my gosh. See, when you go to the Sunscape, you get greeted. Hola! That's how it is right here at the Sunscape. That is actually a perfect example because Sunscape is the place that called us. They actually found our drone and called us to return it. So I'm so happy he just said hi and proved to us that,
look at that,
they do have great customer service here at the Sunscape, Dorado, Pacifico in Ixtapa, Mexico. I'm impressed, guys. 2 thumbs up. Give me an extra one.
And
give me there.
You thought it'd be the Emporio, but man, was I wrong.
Yeah.
And there they prove it. You can.
What do you guys think? Have any of you guys had a different experience? Drop it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear about it.
We're gonna go in. Yes, we're gonna go retrieve our.
I think the entrance is here.
The remains of my baby. So let's.
It's gonna be a rough day.
Yes, I know. I talked to the guy. He gave me a call. Talked to him yesterday. He was very nice. I talked to him yesterday, and he says that he'll have his guys looking around, and if they find it, he'll give us a call. Earlier today, he gave us a call and told me that they found the drone in a million pieces. So hopefully, let's go check it out. We'll see it. Yes, we should have brought a bag. I know. Let's go. It's a sad day. It was a sad day. Christmas Day.
Oh yeah, it was Christmas Day. Christmas Day 2022. The drone got crashed. We'll follow up in a minute. Let us get in here and.
Hola, amigos.
Hola. You want to explain to him? Do you know why we're here?
Se cayó. Okay.
Me llamaron ahorita para decirme que vi que entré las pedacitos.
No,
Vine a levantar las alitas. Me llevaban, sí.
Muy bien. Alejandro.
Satya.
Va a ir a recepción y lo van a pasar donde está su donante.
Muchas gracias.
Very
Here we
nice.
go into the Sunscape. I know, super nice. I'm so happy. This is our first time here, and they greeted us.
You know, I wanted
like they
to,
should have. Woo! Sorry.
No, I wanted to make a video, and I thought we'd be coming here to make a video of a place like this, but I never thought we'd be coming here making a video for the death of the drone.
I know, right?
So, you know, it's not what I was expecting. However, this is a really nice place, and the people are really nice, so that really
all decorated here for
plus.
Christmas, as you can see. Yeah, Christmas Day will never be the same, Alejandro.
No, we're gonna have to get another one. I'm gonna have to do what all the other YouTubers are doing and open up a Patreon account so I can get some coffee money to help me get another drone.
No, you're not stooping to those levels, are you? No.
I'm gonna have to get another one for another drone. I'm gonna save up my pennies and get another drone here
Yeah,
soon.
time to start a Patreon account. I think you're right. get some help from you guys so he can replace that drone.
All right.
And we can take some more amazing footage. Sunscape. So nice in here. Reception. Beautiful. Let's follow Alejandro.
Nice.
It is very nice here. Nice furniture, very comfortable. Little grandma, abuela.
Wait over here.
Oh, nice. Ahí está. Gracias.
Enseguida los van a atender.
Gracias. Ooh, nice. The bar is closed. Which is too bad because I'm sure Alejandro could use a stiff drink right now picking up the broken drone.
Yes.
Beautiful bar though. Beautiful bar here at the Sunscape, Dorado, Pacifico, Xmas.
Nice place to be.
Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful lounge. The ocean? Yeah, it would be this way, wouldn't it? What a beautiful hotel. Wow. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Ooh, wow, look at that. Look at that, Alejandro. Look at arriba, arriba. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah.
Now we have drones so I can get some nice, but you know,
That's cool to look up your balcony and still be inside and wow.
I'll race you to the top someday.
You raised me to the top. Oh, I don't know if you want to challenge me when it comes to cardio, Alejandro. We don't want your viewers to know.
Oh man,
We don't want your viewers to know.
I will admit I hate running, so you know I should probably take it up a little more. You know,
Yeah,
I get my
well.
ass kicked in some workouts. Needless to say, you know.
A young buff guy like you, come on. No excuses. What's this? They have adventure photos over here. Photography services, very nice. Imagine they also set up some tours. They even have an ATM machine in here. Wow. Let's have a quick look around while we're waiting. ATM. The Sun Club. Ooh. The lounge. Back to the front desk, and I'm going to turn back around this way. Beautiful photography service. Found him, guys. Let me whip through here. Past this little coffee shop. Hola, hola. Found the guys who rescued the drone. Hola. Oh no. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look at the camera. Believe it or not, the camera looks like it's in impeccable shape. Not a scratch on that lens. You can believe it or not. Look at the lens. It looks amazing. Looks like the battery probably got heated up. Popped open. And caused the drone to crash. So time for a new drone. This is the Mavic 2 Pro. And now we're on the hunt for a Mavic 2 Zoom. We're going to replace this puppy with the Zoom once we are able to find one and get our hands on it. We can put it to rest. Muchas gracias. You guys are awesome. You're so amazing here. The difference in treatment when we walk into your front guard to the other place. Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Love it here. So Alejandro,
We got the drone.
how do you feel?
Oh man, I feel so much better. I feel so much better that we have at least the SD card and we can see we can see the actual thing.
Ooh, you can see the crash happen.
Oh yes.
The crash landing. Well,
Oh,
probably.
man.
I don't. You know when I was watching over your shoulder when we initially crashed, or you initially tried. I have nothing to do with it. What am I doing putting myself in the mix?
Oh wow.
The picture that froze was in midair. It wasn't close to the ground or anything else. So I'm pretty sure you're right. The battery is cracked in half, and it really did just swell up from the really hot day it was yesterday, and it popped out of the drone.
Well, it was an old battery. I feel like it's my fault because I knew.
What?
I knew.
Did he say? Could you repeat
listen,
that? I don't think they
I
heard.
already did. I repeated it twice.
Wait, I don't think they heard you clear enough. I was walking, making noise.
I knew that when the battery is used too much, I know that it gets swelled up, and then it doesn't fit where it's supposed to go. And
so therefore, you
pops
shouldn't
off.
use it.
So yeah. So the moment
You push the
that
limits.
moment, yeah.
You learn what it's like when you push the limits.
So hard.
He's living on the edge. He likes living on the edge.
No, I was sitting comfortably drinking my juice. I was drinking my green juice. I wasn't living on the edge.
We were drinking green juices and
Yeah.
and droning. So on Christmas Day, so the Sunscape again.
Awesome.
Mad props to the Sunscape.
Yeah.
They were really good, weren't they?
Cesar, Anibal, those two guys, the security guard over here. When we were back there looking for the drone, everybody was nice to us. They walked us around to show us the place. Man, this place is really, well, you should just come here and check it out for yourself.
I hear this hotel is the Canadians' favorite, aside from our properties, of course. ParadiseProperties.mx,
It's right on
that
the
is.
boulevard, directly across from Ohana's. Directly across from the Santander Bank, from Ata Sushi House, from all the good stuff on the boulevard.
Yes.
And the beach is just down there, Palmar Dos. There's Alejandro going. Aha! Tell them
Or-
more, Alejandro. Tell them what else.
If this place is not enough and you want to find a different place, ask us. We can find you a place. We have places in Ziwa, some here in Ixtapa, in La Puerta, and we are looking for other places around the area, so keep us in mind.
Yeah, we're highly connected.
Oh, definitely.
Highly connected. We've got friends in low and high places.
Everywhere.
Literal bungalows and
Yes.
high rises.
Hotels.
Low and
Hotels.
high places. All right, let's wrap this up. Let's take this bad boy home.
Let's go.
And
Check out my new Patreon account if you're feeling generous. You can donate to a drone resurrection fund to help us keep making awesome content for you. Just visit www.followmemexico.com and click on my Patreon button.
start looking for a Mavic Pro Zoom.
I know, right?
Yep.
We need another drone.
Thank you guys for watching. I really enjoy making this video for you. Despite the crash landing that the drone had, it was nice to be able to show you the finer side of hospitality here. And again, a big shout out to the staff at the Sunscape Dorado Pacifico. And in light of the drone's tragic end, it's onward and upward, as they say. I hope it doesn't take too long to replace it. One of my favorite things to do is to make these videos for you guys and to show you what is waiting for you, just a short plane right away. So Merry Christmas 2022 from us to you. I am really looking forward to covering New Year's 2023 and giving you a little peek at how we ring in the new year here in Ixtapas y Guatanejo on the Southwest Pacific Costa Grande. Check out our website at thebestofixtapa.com and www.paradiseproperties.mx to see how you can come and enjoy this paradise for yourself. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.